Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude with Perplexity AI. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is where you'll start the connection process and access the Tools menu that lets you manage available integrations. Once the page is loaded, look at the message text box where you would normally type a prompt. Next, click the plus sign inside the text box area. This opens the Attachment and Tools menu, which is also where connector options can be found. If you do not immediately see the exact option you need, that is normal, because some items appear only after you move through the menu. From there, move your mouse over the connector option. You do not need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. The goal here is simply to reveal the next layer of options related to external services and available connections inside Claude. After that, hover your mouse over Add Connector. This should open another submenu or expand the available choices. Take your time here and make sure the menu stays open as you move your cursor, since nested menus can sometimes close if the mouse moves too quickly. Now click Browse Connectors. This will bring up the connector library or search view where you can look for supported services. This is the place to check whether Perplexity AI is currently available as a direct integration within Claude. In the search field, type Perplexity. If you do not see any result, that means there is currently no available way to link or connect Perplexity AI directly through Claude using the built-in connector system. In other words, if the service does not appear in the connector browser, the connection is not supported at this time through this method. A helpful tip is to make sure your spelling is correct when searching, since a small typo can make it seem like a connector is unavailable. Also, connector availability can change over time, so if you do not see Perplexity today, you may want to check again later in case support is added in a future update. That's the complete process for checking whether Claude can connect with Perplexity AI through its connectors menu. If Perplexity appears in the search results, you can proceed from there with the on-screen connection flow. If it does not, then the built-in option is not currently available.